Hi guys, how you doing? I do hope this finds you well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheba. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, share, and you can also scroll through my channel so that you can watch some other videos that you might find interesting to you. So today I want to do a hair tutorial on how you can style your hair, especially for those of us with short natural hair, and you're wondering how you can style your hair at home and still be able to like wake up in the morning or anytime wash your hair and style it. So today I want us to do a shaggy hair tutorial. So first things first, you have to go to your barber kinyozi and get a haircut of your choice. So this is what I got for me. And assuming you've just woken up in the morning and you've taken your bath and you need to fix your hair quickly so that you can go out. For me, you'll need these three things. One, it's this lotion. I don't know if you can see. I don't know how to focus this. Mayan. It's a curls defining lotion for natural hair, and I got this from Best Lady, one of the outlets in town. Okay, after consultation you actually have to ask, because I remember the lady who did my haircut recommended some curling lotion gel, and once I got to Best Lady, the attendant there told me that that's for dreads, if you want to grow some dreads in your hair, and I don't want that. I just want my hair to be a little shaggy but still natural, so that if I want to comb I can just comb that, because I can't do braid. Okay, the next thing is this spray, Lori's olive sheen spray. They're just for spraying your hair. It's not really necessary, it's not that important, but it's good for you. So this goes for around 630 or 650 shillings. This is 150 bob. Yeah, this is 150 bob. The next thing is this sponge. It's called, let me get the receipt. It's called a Rasta Sponge Color Decided. I don't know what decided means, but it's a Rasta sponge, and it goes for 175. I chose this size because it's small, then it won't be hard on my, or too big for my hand, and also it's firm. There are other sizes, bigger ones. So this is the smallest size that you can take. So this goes for 175, this is 150, and this is 630 bob, and you're good to go. So the first thing that you do is take this. It smells like yogurt, and I don't really like the smell, but it's fine. So you take a little. I already used this, so that's why it's open. So you take a little of this lotion, place it here, and rub it on your head and your hair. Okay, until all the white substance is done. Okay, so my hair actually looks like it's curled. Okay, I think the smell is gone, it doesn't stick around. Okay, so once you're done with that, open up this. My hands are super slippery. Okay. This actually smells nice. It's for braids, weave, and natural hair. Just so it works for us too, those of us with natural hair. So once you're done, you can take up this sponge and roll it from back to the front. So my hair actually looks like it has some curls because I've been doing this for a few days now. Okay, but if you comb your hair, it gets back to its original like state, and if you want it to be curled, you do that. So start from the back to the front. Okay, good to go. So, and that is it. After that, you're just done. Okay, so I really hope that this is helpful to you, and you can just take a shower. As in, when you're taking a shower, you don't have to avoid washing your head because it won't like affect anything. If you want your hair back to normal, just comb it and it's fine, and it gets back to what you want it to be. But for me, I felt this is nice. You know, sometimes you have natural hair and you're wondering, how do I style this? And you don't want to go to the salon each and every day or week, so you can just do this at home. Just go get a haircut and then come back home and style your hair the way you want it styled. I want to get a comb and comb this hair so that you can go back and redo the process. Okay, that's my shaggy hair. Okay, guys, I do hope that this was helpful to you and you can be able to style your hair and have the best look that you wish to have. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.